Namaste and a very good morning to all of you. I welcome you to my channel, The Outlier. My name is Mithun. In today's video, I'll be talking about 3 useful online resources that you can use to learn data science. Even before I proceed to show you these 3 useful online resources, may I request you to consider subscribing my channel as well as like and share my videos. The first very useful online resource that I'd like to share for an aspiring data scientist is what is called Analytics Vidya. Let me choose the topic linear regression. You can see here, it displays different articles written on Analytics Vidya. You can choose any of these things. You can also pull out the Python implementation of linear regression. This is the third link in case you want to. I'll keep it simple and choose the very first blog, everything you need to know about linear regression. It takes me to an article that's been written by a person called Kavita. You can see here, you can get the overview of regression, and to the right-hand side, it will display the table of contents. There are multiple aspects of linear regression, like simple linear regression, what is the best fit line, the cost function, evaluation metrics, assumptions of linear regression, so on and so forth. You can pick and choose any topic which you need information on. Let me just choose the last topic here, hands-on coding for linear regression model. When you choose the last of the topics, that is hands-on coding using linear regression model, you can see here, it displays with the help of a data set, how to implement a linear regression model. Very useful because this is written in a language which anybody can understand. It's written in very simple language. Step 1, how to import Python libraries. Step 2 would be loading the data set. Step 3 would be visualization. You can copy paste these codes as well. And in the end, you also have information about the author. This information about the author would help you connect with the author in case you seek any further clarification. So my suggestion to you is, in case you're a beginner and you want to learn the different algorithms, may it be linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, time series analysis, or it could be support vector machine, Analytics Vidya is a great resource for you. The second resource which I like to talk about is what is called as Towards Data Science. This is not for beginners. This resource would be for advanced users. So instead of using linear regression, let me choose the topic support vector machine. Let me click on the very first link. You can see here, this is an article that's been written by a person called as Ajay Yadav. There are different concepts like what is SVM, the ideology behind SVM, intuition development, terminologies that we use in SVM, what is the meaning of a hyperplane, what is the meaning of hard margin SVM, soft margin SVM. There are a whole lot of ideas that they talk about here. Please consider reading this particular blog. Many times here again, you can see the Python implementation as well. This I would recommend in case you are an intermediate level data scientist. The last of the blogs which I would recommend is what is called as KD Nuggets. Support vector machine, a simple explanation. You can see here at the top, you have the blog section. Then you have different topics. If we close this, you have different topics like artificial intelligence, computer vision, data science, MLOps, news, Python, career advice, data engineering, machine learning, NLP, programming, and SQL. You can choose any of these topics. In case you want to access data sets, you have the option of data sets. It'll take you to a page wherein it describes the different repositories of data. Upon clicking on any of these data sets, you can access the corresponding data set. So these are my recommendations for data science. One is Analytics Vidya, second is Towards Data Science, and the third one is KD Nuggets. With this, I have come to the end of today's video. In case you have liked this particular video, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Have a great day.